Hello little learners, welcome back to our learning channel Peek and Discover. I hope you are ready for another exciting video. Today we are going to learn about numbers from 1 to 10. Let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I hope you enjoyed learning about numbers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Peek and Discover. Keep learning, keep exploring, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.